Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee promotion cannot be redeemed. First of all, open your Shopee mobile application here, then you have to go to the vouchers tab. So make sure you just tap on your profile icon, which is me, bottom right side corner. Scroll a little bit up, you will find this vouchers section. So this is where all the promotion cards are available here. For example, if I want to use any of the vouchers or promotion card, make sure you just read their terms and conditions, especially the valid till, as you can see here, this is valid date. This voucher is valid till 1st 12 2024. Make sure you just read the terms and conditions, because most of the customers apply any of the vouchers to any of the product, which is not the correct format. You need to use the vouchers on selected product where it is available, where this voucher is compatible or valid. Make sure this is very important part of this video. Right, so this is how you can just redeem your vouchers. If you're still facing the problem, then the solution could be in the latest version of the application. Make sure you go to the Play Store or App Store depending upon your operating system and download the latest version of Shopee app. Now then go to the settings of your phone. Here search for the apps. So basically I just want to go to the apps management. Right, if you're not able to find it here, this is app management. App management is basically where all the application which is installed on your phone will be shown here. Then just search for Shopee here. This is Shopee. Then go to the storage uses. This is very important step of this video. Here you need to clear the cache and clear the data. After clearing the data, this will definitely fix your problem. Just make sure that you restart your phone or reboot your phone before opening the Shopee app. You have to re-log in into it, and then your problem will be solved forever. This is the only solution. I hope you found this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.